How to unblock friends on Snapchat account. Unblocking a friend on Snapchat is a straightforward process, and here is how you can do it. First of all, launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now, once inside your account, tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, once there, again tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now all you have to do is scroll down and select block to view all users you have blocked. Simply tap on the blocked option available there. Then inside blocked, look at the friend you wish to unblock and tap the X next to their name and confirm your decision when prompted. Also know that after unblocking, you will need to re-add the person as a friend to resume interactions. Once you tap on the X, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen and make sure to unblock it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.